How to sign out your account in Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this account button. Tap on account. So we are in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different option and customize it. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Here at the bottom, at the last section, there's a sign out button. Simply tap on sign out. Now make sure you want to sign out. Also make sure you have your user ID and password saved for later. So I have already signed out. Now in order to sign in, simply tap on it and enter your ID and password and you can easily sign in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.